So today we will discuss about the time management, how to manage our time or how to utilize the exam time very efficiently. So in this session I am discussing how to save time. For saving the time, you get 15 minutes reading time from 10:15 to 10:30. So in this much time, I don't think so reading the whole question paper is important. Instead of that, you can solve probably 5 questions plus or minus 1 or 2 questions. So on an average 5 questions out of 20 from the MCQ. The questions which can be solved mentally, and what I have observed, generally assertion reasoning questions, they consume time and they don't need the working. These are the logical questions. So two assertion reasoning question you should solve, and 3 MCQ out of the 18 can be solved. And for writing, you can mark an impression on the question paper with your nail or any ways you find it out or you devise that. Now, second thing we can discuss that working, shall we do or not? So for MCQ working we do, we prefer to do the working for our safety. That answer should not go wrong at any cost. For that we do working. It's not necessary to do the working for all the sums. Avoid the working for the question where it's not needed, or do only the needful steps where you are confident. Next, writing formula and substituting value in it is the heart of any answer in maths. There is marks for this, marks for this, and major marks contribute this much part. Doing this much means you have the understanding of the question. You can solve it. So whether whether the question is difficult or whatever, not getting. So you write the formula and substitute value in that. And sometimes, generally in statistics and surface area volume, I can say, where calculations are big. So for that, you can uh, after substituting the values in formula, you can leave space there and write PTO and solve another question. Writing PTO is important. If you are leaving space, it should not be considered at any cost that that's the end of your answer. Writing PTO is important. So that way we can attempt all the questions. Now check your writing pace after every 1 hour and second hour and 2.5 hours. That way you can change your pace. Next topic is the diagram which are given in the question. If diagrams are there in the question, we can avoid to draw those diagrams, and don't keep your ideas to directly use in exam hall. Practice it before, because sometimes some things it's it's look good to hear and talk, but practically it's not that much good what we feel. So you have to practice it. Like I told, assertion reasoning is most of the time uh, we can answer it mentally. So you try solving that, and it will take hardly 1 or 2 hour maximum. It will take to be master in this topic. Second, which is most important, is look back and give a thought for your last pre-board exam. What you wrote, what problem did you face, did you run out of time, any theorem took some long time to solve. So on that you think how can you avoid that, and you have to work on those. If question paper you feel it's difficult or you feel it's very easy, no need to be very happy or very sad about that. Be neutral. Whatever will be for you, it's for every student. So be normal in all the situation. In general, for every questions, we have 2 minutes to solve. 80 marks, 160 minute, and last 20 minute you have for checking your work, to check if you have missed any questions to answer. Okay. In the next message, we will discuss what to do with the saved times. Let's say you saved half an hour, you completed your paper in 2.5 hours. So what to do in next 30 minutes? Last 30 minutes, we will discuss. Next, thank you.